Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will be covering trigonometric ratios, the extended part of it, and then we will proceed to trigonometric identities. So we have to remember only a couple of things over here, which is cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta, and we have sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now, from these two equations, I should say, or the identities or relations, I should say, that we will be able to build a couple of more things on top of this, which is if I divide 1 divided by 2, I will get cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. If I divide 2 with 1, I will get tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. If I do a reciprocal of 1, that will give me sec of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Similarly, the reciprocal of 2 will give me cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So here we have to remember only the first two things, and if I remember those two things, we will be able to derive the other relations as well, like we have done here. Now coming to trigonometric identities. Now this is a very important topic in boards, and from trigonometric ratios and identities, we can expect a total of 8 to 12 marks in the board exam. So the identities that we have to remember, there are 3 of them in total, which is number 1, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Number 2, we have sec squared theta is equal to 1 plus tan squared theta. Then we have cosec squared theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So these are the identities that we should be knowing before. Nevertheless, if we forget the second and third identity, we can establish them from the very first identity itself. So I'll just show an example how we can do that, and then we'll proceed. So we have sine square theta plus cos square theta. Let's say I do not remember any of the remaining identities. Now what I will do, I will divide the entire equation with, let's say, cos square theta. In doing so, I'll get sine squared theta by cos squared theta plus cos squared theta by cos squared theta is equal to 1 over cos squared theta. So sine square theta upon cos square theta is nothing but tan square theta. Cos square theta upon cos square theta is 1, and 1 over cos square theta is sec square theta, which gives my second identity. Similarly, if I divide this first identity with sine square theta, I will get my third identity. So if at all you think that you might forget it, so just remember the first identity, and from there we can easily figure out the second and third identity. The questions on these topics will be shared in the form of shorts on the same channel, so please subscribe and do not miss out any questions because I will be sharing the most important questions from this topic which will be coming in your board exams. So stay tuned. Thank you.